Japan was in desperate need of a revolution after the military dictatorship of the shoguns. Samurai dominated the political aspect of Japan and needed to be taken down. The Japanese feared the inevitable colonization of the Western countries if they failed to modernize. They knew the isolation of their country would be a great downfall. In 1868, the end of Tokugawa, the rise of a new empire with modernization. The 20th century brought Japan to the top. They were looking for a new and better life. Shogunate ended, imperial rule was invented. Emperor had declared restoration was official. Hey, Japan is ready for a new economy and modernization. Restore us, maybe. New ports are open. Japan is changing. The industry booming. Restore us, maybe. Hey, Japan is ready for a new economy and modernization. Restore us, maybe. A new society. Change the order. The industry booming. Restore us, maybe. In an attempt to create a new and centralized state, the government established a national dialect. With all of this new change, brought riots and uproar. Some people were not happy, this led to civil war. Shogun was over, imperial rule was amended. Emperor had declared restoration was official. Hey, Japan is ready for a new economy and modernization. Restore us, maybe, and a civil war ended quickly with a new military. Restore us, maybe. Hey, Japan is ready for no more samurais. They are the teachers. Restore us, maybe. A class system is being changed. Japan is ready. Restore us, maybe. The Japanese had a brand new goal in mind, wanting to combine the East and Western ways before my Persia. Japan was so lost, the modernization and enlightenment. Hey, Japan is ready for a new industry and modernization. Restore us, maybe. Hey, Japan is ready for a new economy and modernization. Restore us, maybe. New ports are open. Japan is changing. The industry booming. Restore us, maybe. The industry had changed Japan forever. Developing a new world system. Migration grew with all new workers. Japan is changing. Restore us, maybe. In the end, the Meiji Restoration was exactly what Japan needed to get back on its feet and on par with the newly modernized Western countries. A powerful new military and centralized government evolved from the effects of the Meiji Restoration.